And now, a person who wouldn't even be here if he hadn't knocked out the security guard and barricaded himself in the studio. Get ready for Big Elvis.
Big Elvis with you today for an unboxing. 6-piece case. This is, I think, Auto World 2025 release number 2. And I think it just came out recently. So we're going to check this out, crack it open. Maybe we have a chase. Maybe we don't. Let's see. So you know, I just got it. Still got the tissue in it. Haven't looked at them. Box just came open like that. So let's see. We're going to reach in, pull some tissue. I'm going to try my best not to here. In fact, to show you that I'm not going to look first. There it is. So I'm going to reach in here. Try to grab one. This is the first one out. So it was released 7/4 of 25, or at least that's when it was supposed to be put out. This is the cars that are in the set. So let's see what this one is. And it is that Sport Fury, I think. No, this is the Dodge Coronet RT. Very cool looking. In the medium gold poly. So we're just going to put them up here. Let me get this out of the way. We're going to put them up here. Next one out of the case. Maybe. That one is the 70 Plymouth Sport Fury in the Jamaica Blue poly. Very cool. I think we opened up the red one, or the orange one. Don't even know where I put that car at. But I know it's open somewhere. It's the only one I found in fact, I ended up having to order. Our next one out the box. Let's see. It is the Quartz Metallic. The 91 Eagle Talon. Yeah. So another one there. Get that paper out of the way. Next one out of the box is the minivan. And that is the light cream and gold bronze. That's pretty cool looking. And you know, you all have had some minivans in your life. My mother started driving one. She became the huge fan of them and had them for years. Our next one out the box. Well, it is the Purple Sky. And that is the Dodge Dart Phoenix Lowrider. That's pretty sweet looking. Our next one out the box. And last, is it by chance? No, but it is the Willow Green poly. Chevy Impala 396. Super Sport there on the side. So that is our box of 6. I think my favorites would have to be the Chevy, that RT, that big Plymouth. Not much into the Talons or Talons. That Lowrider's pretty cool. Which is your favorite? All right, well, let's get them out of the package. Heck, I wasn't going to open them, but I've got to. I'm crazy like that. So our first one we're going to check out completely is that Super Sport. And that is the Impala SS. Nice, nice, nice. See the SS there on the grill. This one actually has really nice white wall tires. And there it is. 65,396. Of course, it is a metal bottom. There's your casting numbers. Let's see. Hood open. Well, the hood will open. You can see it's cut for it, but I'm not going to dig into it because they are very hard, very tough. Now, if you're watching and you are a diecast dealer or you have a diecast channel, I'm going to leave my address in the bottom. Send me a sticker. We'll even trade stickers if you want one of mine. And get with me. Email me. We'll deal with it that way. I'll have my email address in the bottom. We can display each other's stickers. Apex Diecast sent me one there. vidiq old Diecast. That was off of the Whatnot. He sent me one. All right, our next one up. This is the color. This is that blue, that Jamaica blue. There you go. The Furies was a new casting. They claim they've got several toolings to do different castings. I really do like this one though. There's just something about this body on this car that is just amazing. Big, huge land yacht. Big old Plymouth. And there it is. Blue yacht on the license plate. You can see there. Let me get. There we go. I'm going to have to zoom this in a little, folks. I'm sorry. The Sport Fury GTR. The huge big block in it. And this one. This is going to be one of those. Be very careful if you're going to open it because it will get into the windshield. There's that big block underneath the hood. You got some detailing. It does close very nicely. The black, I think, is to simulate a black vinyl top. And you know, there are a lot of them with the black vinyl top. Let's get that up a little bit where we can see her spin. All right, our next one in that set is the medium gold poly 68 Cornet. If you're into them big Mopars, this is your show for sure. Let's get this out the case here. Show you this one. Beautiful colors. Got all the spots in the right area. Got them BF Goodrich on there. Great 68 on the license plate. Well done rear end, tail lenses. Got that sport stripe over the trunk. Didn't really get into the inside much because it's hard to see. If you get one, look in there. It is detailed. See if this hood comes open any easier, and it does. And there is the big block, I'm sure, inside there. A little detailing, battery, and radiator overflow, or the washer tank. Closes down nice and smooth. Another nice Mopar example. We'll get her up there. Our next one in the set, another Mopar. This one was Mopar heavy. The Purple Sky. This has the 383 Ram induction. We'll see when we get it out. Dodge Dart Phoenix, and it's done up like a low rider. I probably shouldn't do that. So there is the purple lowrider. Got a little fingerprint already on it. Here we go. It's so dry in here. It's got them little skinny tires for the lowrider look. Got that Phoenix there on the back. Violet on the license plate. Some lace pattern on the back. Nicely done. Big old pin strap there on the front. I do like it. I'm not much of a lowrider guy, but that is pretty sharp. Let's see what's under the hood. Yep. Big block Ram Air. 2 4s under the hood there. Big time. The hood. Yeah. Like so many of them, they're hard to open and close sometimes with paint working back and forth a little. They eventually will. There she is. And I'll put him over here. All right, our next one up. After you've seen them here, please leave me a comment. What's your favorite? Which one do you think is some very coolness? Talon Turbo equipped with a Garrett T25 turbocharger. TSI all-wheel drive. That was Mitsubishi. Influenced by the Mitsubishi Gallant. The Talon was the American version. There you have it. Hood's not fitting real good. It opens though nicely, and you can see that you can see some work in there. I'm sure turbocharger and all. Pretty nice. Wheels are pretty good on it. I know I show you information and I don't show you information on other ones. There's your casting number. And what does it say on the license plate? First gen. So when it was first released to the public, there you go. And then last in that group, first released in '87, Chrysler sold 307,000, almost 308,000 of these between its twin, the Dodge Caravan. This is, oh yeah, get it out. This one's glued pretty tightly. But let's get this out. The minivan, Plymouth minivan, bronze in that cream color. That's a wild two-tone job. Can see interior detailing in there. Got your roof rack on top so you can take it anywhere. Voyager 1 on the license plate. Pretty good detailing all the way around. And does the hood open? The hood does open. You can see that 4-cylinder front-wheel drive set up under there. Oh yeah. And you can see it don't close exactly right. Yeah, you push down and it closes. So, there's that one of the group. Now, out of this set, which do you think is your favorite? I gotta say, the Chevy and the two big Mopars are probably mine. Thank you for tuning in on this Auto World unboxing. Please remember, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell so you know when our next one's coming up. Appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for tuning in. Big Elvis out. Y'all take care of each other out there.